Learn how to greet someone in Filipino, in Tagalog. Welcome to our short lesson about greeting someone in Filipino. And thank you to our members on Patreon. If you'd like to become a member, just go on Patreon and look for Learn Tagalog Filipino. This is Oli Style. Let's start with learn how to greet someone in Tagalog, Filipino. Understand and pronounce basic vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Use common words like kumusta, oo, hindi. Build confidence speaking out loud. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say, how are you? O kumusta. Yes, oo, and no, hindi. You'll always have practice with these short lessons. You'll have practicing vowels which are very important in Tagalog. Simulan natin ang aralin sa Tagalog. Let's start our lesson in Tagalog. Tagalog vowels are always pronounced clearly and simply. Let's say them together. A sounds like ah, as in father. A sounds like ah, as in father. E sounds like as in bed. Oh, that's Sorry, sounds like as in bed. E sounds like as in see. O sounds like as in go. U sounds like u, as in food. Okay. Again, a, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Okay. You can practice on your own 3 times, slowly and clearly. Repeat after me, or you could practice on your own. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. How are you in Filipino? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta comes from the Spanish word como esta. Next word is oo. 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 Yes. Oo. Hindi means no or not. Hindi. 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 No or not. Oo. Yes. Kumusta? How are you? Practice. Let's practice. Practice tayo. Kumusta? How are you? Repeat after me. Kumusta? Kumusta? Oo. That's yes. Oo. Oo. Hindi. Hindi. No. Again, let's practice. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Again. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Okay, this is a suggestion that I could make for you. I suggest you record yourself saying a, e, I, o, u, or just say it out loud, even if you don't record it. Just say a, I, o, u, and then practice saying kumusta or how are you. Remember, oo is yes. Hindi is no or not. Okay. And what we learned today, basic greeting, which is kumusta, yes and no, and how to pronounce a, I, o, u. Would like to thank our members on Patreon again. And if you want a Tagalog conversation partner, you could click the link here or go to learntagalogfilipino.com or patreon.com/learn Tagalog Filipino to practice your Filipino or your Tagalog. Okay, special thanks again to our members. Again, that's learntagalogfilipino.com. I hope you learned something in this short lesson.